In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a button in a Getresponse landing page. We'll walk through this inside the Getresponse landing page creator, step by step, so you can quickly change how your button looks and what it does when someone clicks it. First, make sure you're in the landing page editor, looking at the page you want to update. Find the button you want to change on the canvas. To select it, simply click directly on the button element in the editor workspace. When it's selected, you'll usually see a small toolbar or outline appear around it, which means you're ready to start editing. Next, let's update the text on the button, because that's your main call to action. Double-click right on the text inside the button. The text will become editable, and you can type in your new call to action. For example, you might use something like "Get access now," "Download free guide," or "Join the list." Try to keep it short, clear, and action-oriented so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Now that the text is set, it's time to control where the button actually sends people. Look at the small floating toolbar that appears when the button is selected. Click the link icon, which usually looks like a little chain. This opens the link settings for your button. Here you can choose the type of link you want, such as a web address. Once you choose the link type, paste or type in the URL you want visitors to go to after clicking the button. This could be a checkout page, a thank you page, or any other destination in your funnel. Double-check the address to avoid broken links. If you want to adjust the visual style of the button, click the brush icon in the same floating toolbar, or look to the right-hand side of the screen for the Properties panel. In this panel, you can change the button color to match your brand, adjust the size so it stands out clearly, and tweak the border radius to control how rounded the corners are. A higher border radius gives you softer, pill-shaped buttons, while a lower one keeps them more rectangular. Once you're happy with the text, link, and style, make sure to save your changes. Click Save, or choose Next Step if that's how your editor is set up. This ensures your updated button is applied to the landing page and ready for visitors.